that slingshot.
Angry birds.
That's actually growing out of the ground like that.
It's angry birds. Just attach a rope and shoot the angry birds.
During the boat festival, all the restaurants are booked, the ones that we wanted, so we're going to go to one early, see if we can book one.
Wow.
So they're fully booked, so we're gonna have to come back. They have our number, and they'll call us when they have an open table. We're gonna go figure out what else to do. No helmet. Helmet's hanging. Oh, we found a pet shop as soon as we got to the mall. It's typical in the park, eh?
这就是简易哈。
Almost pretty.
有那个简易章是吗？我家有一个。哦。Came over to say hi.
Look at little study nice.
So sweet. Quite used to people. He's like, come, pet me.
No, little dog.
这狗能把它踩死，特别大。
The size.
No.
大的怕它，
No more for
大
you.
的它有的性格懂得紧让。
The cat.
Yeah, the cat wins.
这猫真好。
Oh man, we spent so much time in there just playing with
After my
cats
allergies
and
started
dogs.
to kick in.
It's a big deer. So big.
It tastes like a dumpling.
从那个快手上。
It's so good. Skin's so light and crisp. It melts in your mouth. And the meat's nice and juicy. Going insane with the duck. Two duck. This is the juiciest and this is the best duck we've ever had.
觉得我这糖尿病怎么吃出来？
It doesn't even compare to the best ones in Canada. Because even the ones in Canada, the skin is too tough. It's way too tough. This is so good.
Put the hot.
You put the hoss in there? For it? Yeah, I'm gonna try that. See what it tastes like. It's like candy. Alibaba beer. Premium beer. You can only get it at a premium shop. That was the best duck ever had. And it was only like 20 minutes from our house. Yeah, Paradise Walk. Emilia's gonna practice her piano here so she doesn't lose her skill. Play your drums with this kind of view. Central Conservatory of Music. So Song of Songs, if you know it from the Bible, is a book of the Bible, and so this place is called Song of Songs. It was started by Christians. Quite a nice place. You can play drums here. You can see you got 3 drum sets set up here and then a bunch of rooms with pianos.
Well, it's a bit louder now because like I shifted it around.
She said this is a new piano.
啊，这张好吗？
So escape rooms here.